Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace and I need to figure out how to use it in my home.
And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects.
I am back in my garage and I am loving this warm weather. Let's see what's in the bag this week. Rust-oleum chalked spray paint. And the color is Tidal Pond. This color is bold and beautiful. I love it. I have been spending a lot of time in my she shed. I definitely need to add a little more Annie flair to it. And I got something that I think will be perfect to use this spray paint for. Let me go grab it. I picked up this chandelier at a garage sale down the street. First, I'm going to lightly scuff it with a fine grit sanding sponge. Make sure you have a door open or spray paint outside. The color of this Rust-oleum spray paint is Tidal Pond. If you want that shabby chic look, start with one coat and see if you want to apply more. If you need more coverage, apply 1 or 2 coats within the hour. Since I don't have power out here, I'm using these battery-operated lights that have a timer. That chandelier and those battery-operated lights are perfect. They add just amount of glow in that she shed. I can't wait to spend more time out there. If you do this project or something similar, I've got to hear about it. So use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace and keep watching for another great episode coming up next.